An Australian media commentator has said the optimization of China's COVID response policies will bring a positive change, and imposing discriminatory entry requirements on travelers from China is racism.
China being open means that more foreigners can come in, more business people can come in, more foreign direct investment can come in. And what I saw over the last couple of years is China has really focused on keeping people healthy. China put health before wealth and generated wealth from health. And I think that was probably the best way to view it. China put health first. At the same time, they didn't stop the economy.
However, a few countries have imposed discriminatory entry requirements on travelers from China, which Gray opposed.
They're only putting restrictions on China because they said China's not transparent, China might have more variants. That's racism. Every country could have a variant. Any country could have a variant. That is not a health decision. That is a political or a racist decision. And those kinds of things are very frustrating.
China has changed its COVID response in light of the evolving situation, coordinating epidemic prevention and control with economic and social development.